Let's hop on a time machine and embark on a journey to the magical world of the 1960s. As we stroll through the streets of that era, we're greeted by a vibrant and colorful scene. Vintage cars zoom past, and there's a nostalgic air lingering in the streets. Each house, resembling a piece of art, isn't just a space but an expression of a lifestyle. Cafes emerge as prominent meeting spots, where people gather in vintage-style settings, sipping coffee and finding solace away from the hustle and bustle of the streets. Laughter fills the air, filling the surroundings with joy, while pleasant conversations fill the spaces. Rock and roll music dominates this era, with numerous concerts happening and iconic rock stars emerging. Fashion becomes a symbol of freedom and expression. Women adorn the streets with colorful skirts and stylish blouses, while men showcase their elegance with refined suits and hats. The 1960s witnessed significant changes in the fashion world. Miniskirts, tight pants, colorful patterns, and psychedelic prints become the trend. Iconic models like Twiggy shape the fashion scene with their slim dresses and sharp lines. Additionally, the influence of hippies popularizes natural and casual clothing styles. Some argue that the fashion of the 60s is the most beautiful era of all time, and they're not entirely wrong. What do you think? Men's fashion in the 1960s is characterized by tight-fitting and stylized garments like narrow-legged trousers, fitted jackets, and high-collared shirts. As colorful and patterned clothing gains popularity, designers venture into more daring and experimental designs. Moreover, under the influence of celebrities and youth culture, more relaxed and sporty styles emerge. Even today, iconic pieces and styles from this era continue to inspire the fashion world. However, the charm of the 1960s isn't limited to outdoor spaces. It permeates indoor living as well. Retro-style furniture and rooms adorned with colorful patterns offer a peaceful ambiance. Home designs become more modern and functional, with open plans and minimalist decorations becoming fashionable. Gardens undergo transformations, opting for a natural and relaxed look that requires less maintenance. At the end of the day, family members gather around the television, continuing the tradition of watching a good film together. Drive-in cinemas add vibrancy to the night, where people enjoy movies and have a great time.